Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what's the trade setup for tomorrow. Like on Friday. So today is expiry day due to the holiday on tomorrow for tomorrow. So currently, SGS Nifty is trading around 40 points down. Dow Jones is also down, and uh, like Nasdaq is also considerably down. So coming to our market today, it made a low of. It Nifty closed at 45 points down. It opened at a huge gap up due to the HDFC Bank news on the credit card ban lifted. Yesterday, these news came and that reflected in the US markets. It was there around 2% high, and today market in our market it opened around 3% higher, but it could not sustain because HDFC Banks was at the it opened at 15,560. At the same time, Bank Nifty opened at the supply level. So supply level, the there was no follow buying on the upside, and it started to fall from there to 1000 1513. So which dragged the market, which dragged the Bank Nifty along with ICC Bank, Kotak Bank also. So it dragged the market completely to almost 600 700 to 800 points down. So you can see this is the latest supply zone, which is 36,200, and this is the demand zone. So this is the area where market is hovering as of now. Same like Nifty, which was hovering for the last 3 months around 16,000 levels and 15,500 levels. So you could have seen whenever market touches this, this is what's happening. There was an aggressive sell coming on, and then when it gets to demands, there is a buy coming on. So exactly the same happened in Bank Nifty today, and also the Nifty opened in a huge gap up. It almost made 16,700, and in a short period of time, you can see in last 1 week it has moved around more than 800 to 900 points. So there should be some cooling happening, and so market needs some reasons to book some profits. So this is a natural profit booking happening on behalf of the holidays, because market doesn't want to carry forward on the on higher sides, because the global cues, you see there was news from Taliban, and there was many global news yesterday. Like dollar index rise on today. Suddenly there was crude fluctuations also. So market doesn't want to carry forward any positions on the holidays. So it is a natural profit booking, and that is what happened today. And also Bank Nifty has an unfilled gap at these levels, 36,382 to 36,200. So I'm expecting this should be filled. So if it is filled, then again there is a 50 days DMA also, 50 days moving average, which would help the market to move up. So once if it is filled, then that should be a healthy move on the upside. But we have to wait and watch, because 61.8% retracement level is here. It would not let market to fall further. It may be a small consolidation and fall, or if there is a gap down opening on Friday, then it may get filled. If it is filled, then it may be a small consolidation on the opening hours, and then it may start moving on the upside, because all the banking stocks had fallen so much today. IT sector today was out again. Today it was outperforming Mindtree. If you see first 15 minutes, it made almost 100 points, and then it was consolidating the whole day like a you can see this 15 minutes candle. It was like an inside candle. It was the whole day. It was like it made like a flags. So again, ICC Bank today it made a low of 683 after making a high of 717. Today it made a high low of 686. So it is again still hovering around these levels, extension levels of 1 and 1.13. So it has to sustain and follow buying should be there. SBN is continuously falling after its results. It made a high of 467, and then now currently at 416, but again it is at the support levels. So for Bank Nifty, we have to wait for the gap filling and the 50 days move average, 50 days moving average support, and a follow buying to come up because it is currently at the like a oversold zone also. Not expecting any further fall on this. Let's have to wait and watch. So apart from this, today and like FID high, both had sold for almost for 1,300 crores. As I said, market doesn't want to hold any positions on weekends or holidays. So that is one more reason. Other than that, there are many block deals happening in few of the stocks. I will share you video on that on, and let's have a case study on how market works or the script works on block deals and bulk deals. So apart from this, mid caps and small caps had a decent rally today. Not much to perform. So now FMCG sector is moving good today. Nestle India, Tata Consumer, Tata Consumer is in straight move. Godrej Consumer again an outbreak today. It made a shooting star pattern. So these are at the breakout levels. Marico after a swing low, it is now taking support at the 50 days moving average. Britannia at again it is again to make a move on the upside. So let's wait for the Friday market on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Apart from this, please be cautious on higher levels on the both cash segment and F1O segment because Nifty is trading at all-time high now, and we have to wait and watch how market adjusts or consolidates before any further moves. So don't be any aggressive longs and aggressive shorts because when it is at the top, if it starts moving on the downside and if the heavyweight index starts supporting, then it will drag the entire other stocks in Nifty also. So let's wait for the Friday market and Friday data, how it reacts on the opening hours, and then we can decide further. So that's all, guys. Hope this information is useful, and if it is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.